Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a challenge that's as thrilling as it is unexpected. We've got a top-tier chef and a seasoned paramedic swapping roles. Yeah, you heard that right. Meet Chef Alex. He's got a knack for creating culinary masterpieces and wowing diners with every dish. And then there's paramedic Jamie. She's a lifesaver on wheels, cool under pressure and always ready to tackle emergencies. But what happens when Alex puts down his chef's knife for a stethoscope, and Jamie trades in her medical bag for a set of kitchen knives? The challenge begins. First up, Alex steps into Jamie's world. He's learning CPR, administering injections, and let's just say he's a bit out of his element. His hands might be steady in the kitchen, but in the ambulance, it's a whole different story. Jamie, on the other hand, is tackling culinary arts. She's figuring out the difference between sautéing and searing and trying to keep her fingers intact while chopping veggies. Her initial fumbles are honestly hilarious, but here's where it gets interesting. Both professions demand quick thinking, problem solving, and an eye for detail. As they fumble and learn, they start seeing these surprising similarities. There's a moment when Alex finally gets a medical procedure right and Jamie nails a perfect soufflé. They start to respect each other's craft on a whole new level. Then we put their new skills to the test in the real world. Alex steps up during a simulated emergency and applies his medical knowledge. Meanwhile, Jamie prepares a nutritious meal for a patient, blending her care and culinary skills. This challenge isn't just about learning new skills, it's about understanding and appreciating the different roles that make our society tick. Stay tuned for more wild adventures and unexpected twists. Catch you next time.